Now I will demonstrate how to add a term or a concept to a category. In the extract or extraction window or pane, we see the terms that have been recognized listed. We can add these terms to categories. Let's take a look at some of the terms that have been extracted. For instance, transcription has been extracted, and we see that this already has been added to a category because of the little storage or category icon in this in column. The term mutation has also been added to a category. It has been added to a rule in a category. We'll talk a little bit more about rules later. And we see this function icon indicating that it's part of a rule. However, some terms have not been added to categories and the in column is blank. For instance, the term base has not been added to a category. Let us add this term base to the category DNA. There are two ways to do this. One is just to drag the term base to the category DNA. So we scroll down to the category DNA, which is at the bottom of our list, and then we go to the term base and drag it to the category DNA. If we look now within the category DNA, we see that base has been added. We also notice that there is a storage or category icon listed for base. Another way to add a term to a category is to right-click on that term and add it to a category. Let us use the term effect, which has not yet been added to a category. We can right-click on the term effect and then click add to category. This lists the categories that we could add it to. We're going to add the term effect to the category influence. So we scroll down until we find the category influence, click on it, and then click OK. So now if we find the category influence, we scroll up to influence, we see that effect has been added to the category influence. We also notice that effect now has a category icon in the in column.